In this video, I'll help you set up a company in America for just $89. You don't need to pay hundreds of dollars to other intermediary firms because almost all of them do similar things. There is only one reason for us to establish a company in America. It is to be able to receive payments from anywhere in the world on your own Shopify site using payment methods like Shopify Payments, Stripe, or PayPal. If you're ready, let's get started. Before we begin, I want to share a mandatory disclaimer with you. In this video, I've mostly created content based on my own research and experiences. And that's why the information in this video does not constitute professional advice. I strongly recommend doing your own independent research and consulting with a professional advisor. Now you've opened your Shopify site, everything is perfect, but you're having trouble receiving payments. And for that, you need to set up a company in America. To set up a company in America for $89, you first need to click the link in the description or comments of this video to get to this page. If you don't come this way, the registered agent fee here will be $100. The filling service fee here will also be $125, so you'd end up paying an extra $225. But if you click the link in the description or comments, you'll see these as zero and can set up your company for $89. When you click the link, you'll see the company formation page of Northwest Registered Agent. We use Northwest because it's one of the oldest and most reliable firms in the US that focuses only on this process. I accepted the cookies and scrolled down immediately. From here we select LLC. Right below we choose our state. As a state, we'll pay much less in New Mexico compared to other popular states. In New Mexico, the formation fee is much lower, and there's no annual fee or annual reporting here. By annual reporting, I mean reporting to the state, not to the IRS, as you know. You must report your income, but you don't have to do annual reporting to the state of New Mexico. That's why we're proceeding with New Mexico. Here, we select the standard. There's no need to choose the others. Here, you need to enter the name of the business you want to establish. For example, I'll write 211 Media LLC here. Make sure to check the uniqueness of the name you write. Since we're setting up a company in New Mexico right now, I need to check this name in the state of New Mexico. The state has its own official site. You can do this inquiry from here. I'm leaving the link to this inquiry page in the description again. However, there's no access to this page from some countries. So you need to use a VPN or a browser with a VPN like Opera to access this page and do this inquiry. When determining the name, you first need to write the name of the company you want to establish and then add LLC. The option below says send the documents to my lawyer. This can remain as it is. Let's scroll down. Here, it asks for the purpose of your business. If you have a general business purpose, you can activate this option directly, and there's no need to enter anything here. Here, it asks for the physical address and mailing address. The first option is the free address provided by Northwest. The second option will be your address in your home country. This is already not possible. The third address is your virtual address in America, if you have one. You can enter this. Or you can directly choose Northwest's own address. Click continue. Here, there's a question about the management of the company. If your company will have a manager or director, you can also select manager from here. If you will manage it yourself, the member manager option can be selected. Here, you choose whether the company information will be public or private. It's more beneficial for it to be public. You can open bank accounts without any problem. Here, you write your own name and surname. This can be selected as it is. Yes, after writing my name, click continue. On this page, you need to enter your own information, your name, surname, phone number, your home country. Again, you need to enter your residence address here. You can select your district from here. From here, you will select your city. You will enter your postal code here. Now, I'm quickly filling these out. Yes, I filled out my information. Then I click continue. Here, you're asked to create an account. You can write your email address and password. Here, Northwest offers some things. What are these? A 1-year domain registration, website, phone number, and email address. You don't need to handle these from here. There are more affordable ways to do this. I'll talk about them. So, you can close this option like this. I continue. Northwest offers you some services. You don't need to take any of these. For example, the tax ID here, which we actually call the EIN number. They offer this service to us for $200. Because we don't have a social security number, as we are not American citizens, they offer this service to us for $200. However, we will handle this for free. I will talk about this again in the following videos. For now, we can close this, and as I said, we don't need to select anything else. I continue by clicking continue directly. Then I will enter my credit card information here and make my payment. I have entered my credit card information. Then I click done and complete my payment. After you make your payment, a page like this will open. Here I am doing a name check with Northwest. A confirmation message like this will appear after a few minutes. I scroll down immediately. I click continue. Here the address information provided by Northwest will appear. Click continue to proceed. Then scroll down. This section verifies the accuracy of the information you've entered. Here again, Northwest's address and my information as a filer from Northwest are displayed. I click looks good. It automatically assigned a time like this. These processes take about a week. After a week, we will receive our company information, and with this company information, we will apply for the EIN number. Then we will wait for our EIN number. After our EIN number arrives, which also takes about a month, we will apply for bank accounts. Here, to shorten the process a bit, it offers an option for about 5 days. We say there's no need for this. I said no thanks. It again offers the proposal it gave in the application form earlier. I click no thanks to this as well. The extras it offers us are listed here again. I continue by clicking no thanks to these as well, and I complete my application by clicking submit. Now, our application is done. Our company information will reach us in about 1 week on average. When our company information reaches us, we will apply for the EIN. This number will also come to us in about a month. And after that, we will continue the process by making our bank account applications. By following these steps, you can apply for a company in America for $89. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I'm sure your efforts will pay off soon. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you great success and lots of sales.